From bags to boots and everything in between, high fashion brands are walking a fine line, trying to gauge how price hikes will affect U.S. consumer appetite for their luxury products after the U.S. imposed a 15% levy on EU goods entering the U.S. Two retail analysts we spoke with say either way, someone's gonna have to pay.
I think there's little doubt that, somebody at the end of the day has to eat these cost increases. And in all likelihood, it's going to be some combination of either the retailer themselves or the retailer and the consumer.
One of the dirty little secrets is a lot of these luxury brands have already been stress testing some of, the consumer tolerance for some really aggressive price increases.
In fact, according to the research company Bernstein, many luxury houses raised prices by an average of 36% between 2020 and 2023, benefiting from pent-up demand from shoppers with excess savings. But the luxury market seems to be losing at least some of its luster, with worldwide sales of premium products expected to contract by up to 5% this year, according to consultancy firm Bain & Company. That's the biggest contraction in 15 years, excluding the pandemic. As luxury demand in China wanes, premium labels are hoping Americans will splurge. But further hikes linked to tariffs on top of already sky-high prices could drive some shoppers away. Speakerman says while several ultra-high-end brands will be able to raise prices because of their prestige factor, the luxury market on the whole needs to identify ways to avoid driving away customers who are more discerning or turning to cheaper alternatives.
When you have brands like LVMH moving production to Texas, it isn't just about avoiding tariffs. It's also an opportunity for them to reposition as being a made in America luxury brand, which I think could in the future become a lot bigger story in terms of premium positioning. But the real winners are going to be the brands that show that agility, that can pivot their supply chains quickly, whether it's in the U.S. or elsewhere.
Karina Mitchell, CGTN, New York.